Setting up the Spark wristwatch using the remote control. Wake up the clock using the top button. The first menu value is the hour. We can change the values with the up and down buttons. With the right button, we go to another value. In our case, it is minutes. Change the value and press OK to save. We see a time of 12 hours and 15 minutes. Let's go back to the menu. After the minute value, the day of the month appears in the menu. Month. The time format can be 12 hours or 24 hours. Temperature format 0, Celsius, 1, Fahrenheit. Backlight color. 7 different colors are off. Glow time of the tubes. 8 speeds. The option has a green backlight. Display data. The option has a red backlight. 0, time only 1, time and date. 2, time and temperature. 3, time, date, and temperature. Hours. Minutes. Day. Month. Temperature. We return the default value. Visual effect with number scrolling 0, off, 1, on. The option has a blue backlight. Turn off the first tube if the value of hours is less than 10. Date format. The option has a purple backlight. We are back to the hourly value. Exit the menu by pressing the OK button.